We're here for an arraignment on a bench warrant, people of the state of Michigan versus Ryan Michael Jewell. Okay, good morning. Mr. Jewell, yesterday you entered a plea for entry into recovery court program, and I told you on the record to be here at 9:30 this morning. You were not. So I've signed a warrant for your arrest for failing to appear in recovery court today after being ordered to do so yesterday. So it's alleged that you're in contempt of court for failing to appear for court today. You have the right to have a hearing on that, where your failure to appear would need to be established by beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to the assistance of your lawyer at that hearing, and it is Mr. Nightingale. Mr. Gilbert's assisting for arraignment purposes only. If you are found to be in contempt of court, you could be jailed up to 93 days and or fined up to $7,500. So if I believe you're not complying with the conditions of your release, I can revoke that release. Do you understand the rights that you have and the penalties that you could face, Mr. Joe?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gilbert, do you know how he wishes to proceed?
Yes, he is going to admit to his contempt of court, Your Honor.
Mr. Jewell, you want to stand and raise your right hand for me? Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sure.
Okay, put your hand down. Mr. Jewell, remain standing, please. How do you wish to plead to being in contempt of court?
Guilty, Your Honor.
So you knew you had court this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you miss court this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with that factual basis, Mr. Gilbert?
I am, Your Honor.
Ms. Goodrich?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Jewell and Mr. Gilbert, are you aware of any promises, threats, or inducements?
I am not.
Ms. Goodrich?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Jewell, I find that your plea is knowingly, understandingly, and voluntarily made, and that there is a sufficient basis in fact and law to believe that you are in contempt of court. So I do so find. Recommendations, Ms. Goodrich?
Your Honor, I guess without any information as to why he missed court this morning, it's difficult to have a recommendation on why he would miss the first day after entering a plea.
Mr. Gilbert?
Your Honor, I'm happy to allocute. I did talk with Mr. Jewell, and it appears that he overslept. He tells me he did set alarm clocks. He got out yesterday, set alarm clocks this morning, and did oversleep the time when he did get up and got ready, and he got right to the courthouse as fast as he could. However, he was already late at that time. So it appears from my conversation with him is that it was a complete accident. He says to me, if we test him right now, it's not that he was out using or anything like that. There was not an intent to dishonor the court of the program at all. It was merely a mistake of oversleeping. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jewell. You don't have to tell me anything about that. Is there anything you want to add to that?
No, Your Honor, I still get another chance at the recovery court.
Okay, you will. This is not, I'm not going to remove you from that program. I know I told you yesterday, if you miss court, I don't have to follow the sentence agreement and you would have lost the right to withdraw the plea. That's not happening. Okay. You're still going to be in the program. But I have some bad news for you, that you're going to wait until your sentencing date to start now, because I tried letting you out on bond to start, and within less than 24 hours, you don't appear for court. So I'm going to revoke your bond, have you held until further order of the court. Your sentencing date is going to be October 20th at 10:20 is what we had said on the record, because Mr. Nightingale wasn't available on the 7th. So you're going to go back in and sit until your sentencing date, and then we'll give it a new start. What you need to know is you'll have a chance to do this program, but you got to do the program.
I know, Your Honor.
Meaning you're going to have a lot of things to show up for: court, probation, testing, treatment, AA meetings. And if you don't think you're able to do that,
I believe I am. I had a whole day scheduled out and everything today to set up counseling and do meetings and everything. And I don't know why I overslept. It's my own fault. I do agree with you there.
okay, so we'll start again at your sentencing date. What I'll do is I'll continue the contempt sentencing to the same date and time. I'll revoke the bond, but I don't want to impose a contempt sentence that ends up messing up our ability to get him out when we sentence him here. All right, so we'll see you at your sentencing date, Mr. Chief.
Thank you.
Thank you.